It is day number 27 of my 31-day Seamoss challenge, you all. Hi there, my name is Peter Gay Barrett. I am a certified weight loss, nutrition, and fitness specialist. I specialize in teaching you how to use the healthy smoothie, fresh fruits and veggies, seeds and nuts to help to prevent chronic ailments such as high blood pressure, high blood sugar, high cholesterol, and obesity. And a plethora of other health benefits you can get along the way. For my birth month of October, I am doing a 31-day Seamoss challenge where I take 1 tablespoon of Seamoss every day, homemade Seamoss gel that I made from scratch at home from the Irish moss or the seaweed. I take 1 tablespoon every day, rinse it down with some water. That is my breakfast. I have a decent lunch, a decent dinner. Do my best not to have any snacks in between. And I share with you the health benefits that I am experiencing from having Seamoss in my diet every day, and also the health benefits that studies have shown that Seamoss can help to prevent every day. If you are already not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, you guys. Go ahead and check out my playlist that I have created with the 26 other videos that I have made, either making Seamoss or sharing one health benefits of Seamoss. We talk about the skin health benefit that you get to prevent psoriasis and eczema and breakout and help with healthy, glowing, hydrated skin. We talk about the nail health benefit that you get from having Seamoss in your diet on a daily basis. We talk about the gut health benefits that you get from having Seamoss. We've spoken about the male health benefits that you can get from having Seamoss. The high blood pressure, high blood sugar, the cholesterol, the helping to prevent certain birth defects, plethora of health benefits you can get from having Seamoss. Cognitive, memory. We have 5 more days to go, you guys. 27, 28, 29, 30, and the 31st. So we're going until Friday. And then next month, we will start a new challenge, you all. Gonna go ahead and plug that right here. This is my QR code, you guys. So go ahead and link that QR code to purchase my product, my turmeric, beetroot, black pepper, and ginger mix. That's what we will be focusing on next month, November. Click the QR code right here. Purchase your turmeric before it is sold out. I'm going to talk about health benefits you get from turmeric and beetroot and black pepper. Show you how to make it in your smoothies. Show you how other ways that you can use my product to help with your overall health. Do you have high blood pressure? Do you have issues with inflammation? Do you have low energy? These are just some of the benefits that we're going to focus on next month. So go ahead, click that QR code and purchase your turmeric right now so you can get it in the mail for when we start in the next few days. If you order yours today, the 27th, it will go out in the mail the next day, the 28th. So go ahead and purchase yours before it's sold out. But for this month, we have a few more days to go. Again, the homemade Seamoss, you guys. This have to hold off, you all. This have to hold off for the rest of the month, you guys. Check this baby out. Homemade from scratch Seamoss gel. I take 1 tablespoon. I'm rationing it out at this point, you all. 1 tablespoon. Then I rinse it down with some water. And that is my breakfast for today, you guys. As you can see, ready for work, weekend is over. And one of the things that I look forward to going to work, every day is ensuring that I have enough energy to get me through the day. As a hotel general manager, in addition to being a nutrition and weight loss specialist, I have to have energy each day to get me going. Being a hotel manager is not easy, you all. So, that's just one of the benefits that Seamoss helped me with. And one of the benefits that my turmeric and beet mix will help you with as well. But let's talk about health benefit number 27 you can get from Seamoss. Did you know that Seamoss is great to help to detoxify your liver? right? Because sea moss is packed with the vitamin B1 thiamine. We talked about that yesterday, but we're probably going to talk about thiamine, the vitamin B1, because you guys don't hear about thiamine enough, and the plethora of health benefits you can get from thiamine. And one of them, it actually helps to metabolize carbohydrate. And thiamine is stored in your liver, and then it is excreted into your bloodstream to help your kidneys, or no, your kidney as well, we'll talk about that tomorrow, help you to detoxify your liver, you guys. So for a lot of you guys who eat all this, junk food and junk type carbohydrates, because we need carbohydrates in our diet. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise. But the junk type of carbohydrates, having sea moss in your diet is going to help your body to metabolize that and break that down. It's going to help to detoxify your liver. You have damage in your liver from drinking too much alcohol, and is it called alcoholic liver? I'm not sure what it's called, but you know, if you drink too much and you do not drink enough water, your liver is going to take a hit for that, right? And you decided you want to clean yourself up, you want to start to repair your liver. Thiamine is going to help you with that. Fatty liver disease, thiamine is going to help you with that, you all. So adding sea moss to your diet is going to help you to recover and help to repair some of that liver damage that you have. Help your body to metabolize that carbohydrate that you've been eating and the alcohol that you've been drinking over the years, and now your doctor tell you that your liver is on a kaput. Okay, thiamine is going to help you with that. Adding sea moss in your diet on a daily basis can actually aid in repairing and aid in protecting and aid in detoxifying your liver, you guys. That is health benefit number 27 from having sea moss in your diet on a daily basis. If you have found these videos helpful to you so far, you guys, I am asking, just subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with a friend or a family member, someone who may be interested in making homemade sea moss and all these plethora of other health benefits: the high blood pressure, the high blood sugar, the cognitive health, the skin health, the hair health, the nails health, the gut health, right? Aiding just in your overall health. There's 26 already, and today's 27 health benefit you can get from having sea moss. The energy, gentlemen, your testosterone is low, sea moss is going to help you. Ladies, you are pregnant and is looking for that extra in that vitamin B9 folate that's going to help to prevent certain birth defects. Sea moss. You have teenagers, chronic breakouts, psoriasis, eczema, your skin is a hot mess and you're looking for something to, sea moss is going to help you with that, you guys. So thank you guys for following so far, subscribing to the channel. You guys are subscribing and I absolutely appreciate that, and just want to show some love for those of you who are subscribing. I took this channel, you all, from 6,000 to a little over 7,000 subscribers now that I have on here. But you guys need to like the video, share the video, watch the video to the end. Just turn it on in your background and listen to it. Let that playlist play all the way so you can hear all the health benefits, because I'm trying to grow this channel and that will help me to get this information out to you all for free, you guys. The only thing I ask in return is that you subscribe to my channel so I can give you these wealth of information that you can that will help you to wean you off some of these medication that you guys are on. So until tomorrow, you guys, gotta rush out to work. Subscribe to the channel. We have we're not gonna count today, 28, 29, 30, 31, 4 more additional days to go. This is gonna have to last me, you all. 4 more spoonfuls of sea moss, and then tomorrow we're going to focus on, not tomorrow, but next month we're going to focus on my turmeric and beetroot mix. The link is right here. This is my QR code, you all. Go ahead and get you yours before it is sold out, you all, because it has some of the similar health benefits as the sea moss does, but a plethora of other health benefits you can get from having my turmeric and beetroot mix in your diet on a daily basis. Subscribe, you guys. Until tomorrow, get your ass up and move. Go to the market, buy you some Irish moss, and go make you some homemade sea moss gel. Come home and watch my video where I made the sea moss gel. with just water. That's it, you all. Just water. The skin is glowing. The nails are nailing. The energy is on point. And I have to say, Seamoss have been helping me with that. So until tomorrow, subscribe to the channel. I can't talk this morning. Bye.